It's not coming back, Shiloh.
Yes, it is! Yes, it is!
Who are you even gonna send this to?
I'll send it to Mom!
What do you two and a broken clock have in common? You both can't TikTok!
You know she was flirting with you, right?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm going on back!
Mary was the imposter!
Yes! Wow! Let's go! How'd you know?
Well, both of you really thought you were innocent, so it had to be Mary.
Jeez, you guys are so bad. Even my awesome imposter skills couldn't even carry you.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Literally, no, if I had anyone, a monkey, if I had a monkey as a teammate rather than